Okay, so I forgot that this was an activity that we had to do a video for, so I'm gonna post this um, onto the comment box for what I already posted. But when I asked my grandparents about these questions that we answered for ourselves, they kind of answered the same way I did, but they also mentioned some things that I didn't actually remember offhand. For elementary school, something that I forgot about is that we ate at the bar in the kitchen together, and that one of our regular meals for breakfast was bacon and eggs. I totally forgot that my grandfather cooked that for me in the morning. And if it wasn't bacon and eggs, it was cereal. And normally the environment was pretty happy. For high school, continued to be a happy environment. The usual spot to eat at home was in the living room or on special occasions in the dining room. Throughout elementary school and high school, one of the rules that I also forgot about, if there was a food that I was unsure of that I liked, I was encouraged to try it. We ate out a lot, and I tended to order the same thing, chicken nuggets or chicken tenders and fries. So they made this new rule to encourage me to try new meals. My grandmother also mentioned that I also forgot about, which I don't know why, because high school wasn't that long ago for me. She normally packed my lunch, and my usual meal would be a sandwich, grapes, and chips, and some water.